How to edit your TikTok caption. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to edit your TikTok caption. First thing, go to your TikTok. Now click on the video. How to change, and click on those 3 points and click on save video. After doing that, all you need to do now is scroll over and search for privacy and put this video private and go back, click on post. Now click on upload and choose the video you did deleted from your profile and add the caption you want from the beginning. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video don't forget to subscribe and like.